So let's take a look at another problem. Problem number 2. Personal computer is used for many things. Suppose that the average number of hours that a household personal computer is used for entertainment is 2 hours a day. Assume the times for entertainment are normally distributed and the standard deviation for the times is half an hour. So using our notation, some random variable is normally distributed with a mean of 2 and a standard deviation of 0.5. So there we have our basic information. A says find the probability that a household personal computer is used for entertainment between 1.8 and 2.75 hours per day. So we are going to use our calculators, the normal CDF. Our lower value is 1.8, upper is 2.75, mean is 2, and standard distribution is 0.5. We are going to plug this in, and it is going to be as easy as that. Second distribution, go down to normal CDF, put in 1.8, 2.75, 2, 0.5. Double check that I entered it incorrectly, and hit enter. I get 0.5886, which is 58.86%. So the probability that a household is using entertainment between 1.8 and 2.7 hours a day is 58.86%. B, find the maximum number of hours per day that the bottom quartile of households uses a personal computer for entertainment. So let's just remember here that each quartile equals 25%. So we are trying to find K, where the probability then K equals 0.25. Whenever we are dealing with looking to find what a percent would be, we're going to use inverse norm. And we do the percent, which is 0.25. Then we put in the mean, and then we put in the standard deviation. Second distribution down to inverse normal, we're going to put 0.25, 2, 0.5, hit enter, and we get 1.66. So what does that 1.66 mean? That means that the maximum number of hours per day that the bottom quartile of households uses a personal computer for entertainment is 1.66 hours.